So guys, for the first method, you want to make sure that you have numlock enabled on your keyboard. For the second method, you want to unplug your keyboard and then plug it back in again. For the third method, you want to plug your keyboard into a different USB port. If that's still not working, for the next method, you want to head it with search and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on accessibility. Now you want to find mouse. We're going to scroll down till we find mouse. You want to click on this. Make sure you have mouse keys turned off. You want to turn off mouse keys. See if that works for you. For the next method, on the top, you want to click on accessibility. Now we're going to find keyboard. We're going to scroll down. You want to click on keyboard. Make sure you have sticky keys, filter keys and toggle keys all turned off. You want to turn off everything here. For the next method, you want to head it with search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand keyboards. Now you want to find your keyboard. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, if your keyboard comes with a software like my one does, then you want to go to your software and then click on your keyboard. Now you want to go to settings. Make sure that your keyboard driver firmware is up to date for your software. For the next method, you want to head it with search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in msdt.exe space -id space keyboard diagnostic. Click on enter. And now this will come up. Click on next. Wait for this to load. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. For the last method, just try doing a restart of your computer. If it's still not working, then your keyboard might be broken.